It's just a country lane. High cows. It's a big kind of flooded area here. And there's a farmer burning some stuff. Mending his fences. Beautiful. It's so pretty. Whoa, just about hit a bird. There's a big vulture up here. I don't know if you can see him yet. He'll probably take off right about now. No? Hi, vulture. Whoa! That was cool. He's like, oh my gosh, there's a motorcycle! I'm really glad he didn't crap on me out of fear. That would have not have been fun. I'm sure vulture crap isn't the most pleasant kind of crap. It's probably the most disgusting substance on earth. Look at these, I can't remember what these are, these flowers. Really pretty though. And a second ago there were a bunch of cows up here trying to eat the trees through the fence. You still here? Yeah, there they are. Hey guys! What's up? What's up, guys? Every single cow is staring at me. They're like, what's it gonna do? What's it gonna do? I'm gonna do this. He left us! No! Look! Oh, Roadrunner! Did you see it? Nature! I love nature! And twisty roads through nature. I go too. Oh, I love this road. It's so great. Been finding a lot of really cool roads lately. I'll just mark them on my phone. Come back later. Or if I feel like a ride, I'll just look at my phone. If I don't have very much time, oh, that one's the closest. I'll go do that one. This is bad. Alright, I'm going to turn around and go back, because I know where this road goes, and it's kind of boring. It just turns into this big flat highway. Standing up. Rear brake. Oh! Man, this, like today, these roads be absolutely perfect to have a motard. This is the kind of stuff I would love a motard for. Just because unimproved road surfaces, it's light. You know, if I find a cool dirt road, I can just not even think twice. I mean, I'll take this down a dirt road. I've done it many times. I just, you know, it's just less ideal. But then, of course, a motard is less ideal for the longer distances and the faster roads. And this is very good for those. I like my little Nighthawk. Ugh. Wow, that's really rough. I kind of failed at telling about me, huh? Ah, butterfly! I want to dodge the butterfly. Alright, I'll tell about me. So, I'm still in school. I'm a senior. I'm studying aerospace engineering. I love airplanes. I love practically anything with a motor. I like engineering. I like technical stuff. I like kind of out-of-the-box thinking and coming up with new things, coming up with new designs, inventions, whatever. I'm not so much a, you know, bean counter as some engineers are. Many engineers are sort of the bean counter type. Okay, this is 34 south. Many engineers are very good at crunching numbers and just analyzing. I can do that, but I really don't. It's not what pushes my buttons. I like coming up with things, coming up with new things, or kind of being able to think outside the box to solve a problem. That's just I thrive on that. I also really like exploring. I used to, before I had a motorcycle, I would just take my truck and just go drive, you know, when I was younger, when gas was cheaper. Now, just getting in my truck and going for a long drive is pretty much financial suicide. But before gas was super expensive, you know, when it was less than $2.50 a gallon, I would go just ride around in, I grew up in Alabama, and I would go ride around in North Georgia and North Carolina and just the southern Appalachian mountains. So I just go drive around and hike and stuff. And then in college I got into backpacking, and friends and I mean, I love backpacking, and just I got a kayak. I love going out in my kayak and, you know, camping, backpacking, just exploring. I love being outside. Yeah. So I guess to sum it up, I like vehicles, especially airplanes, being outside, and inventing things. Yeah, that's pretty good. I like that. That's a pretty good summary, actually. So, do you guys want to see me get stung by a bee? Ow, 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 shoot. Oh, bee. Ow! Dang it. God. Ugh. Oh! 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 I think he's gone. Oh, dang it, that hurt. I just got stung by a bee in the neck. Yeah, that was not fun. Ow. Ah, it's like shooting down my neck. Oh my gosh, that hurts. Crap. I'm trying to see it in my mirror. Oh. God, that hurt. Okay, stop being a crybaby.